LinkedIn as a platform is the bare minimum that I think that everybody should be on.
Is the big opportunity.
See the pattern? All these creators are talking about LinkedIn. And if you think those followers number is just a flex on your profile, you are basically just holding the key and never unlocking the door. Whoever has been creating content on LinkedIn has already know one thing for sure. LinkedIn is blowing up. But now it's not only about growing your followers, it's also about how to monetize them smartly. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how LinkedIn monetization works, the different way creators are making money today, how much time will it take, what are the different monetization models that are active as of now, and the best part of this video is gonna be the monetization model that is the easiest and the smartest, and most of the creators don't even have a clue about it. It takes mostly 2 minutes to set up and help creators earn more than $2,000 in just a week. And the best part is it helps your audience as well. So it's a win-win situation for you and your audience as well. So let's get into it. The first and the most trending LinkedIn monetization model is personal branding. LinkedIn is full of CEOs, founders, and executives who knows they need to be more visible on the platform, but they have no clue how to do it, how to make the whole content strategy. If you have figured out LinkedIn content, that's a service you can sell to them. Ghostwriting their post, managing their entire LinkedIn presence, and making the whole content strategy for them. This is a real high-ticket service. Creators are charging anywhere between $15,000 to $50,000 per client in a month for this. And the best part is your own profile is your portfolio for this kind of monetization. If your content is working, that's your pitch. Most people don't even know about this, but LinkedIn actually have programs where they invest to own creators directly. Let me break down all of the ways that already exist. The first one is the Creator Accelerator program. It's the biggest one. LinkedIn select a cohort of creators and put them into a 6-week intensive incubator, or you can say course. In this, the creator who gets selected get early access of the LinkedIn features and also get a financial grant of somewhere around $12,000 to $15,000. As of now, it is expanded to India, Brazil, and UK. So this isn't just a US thing anymore. So how do you get into this program? Before you even think of applying, go to your LinkedIn and search for the creator manager of your niche and then send a connection request to them. Tell them about your niche and the content you are creating as of now. Build that relationship before that application even opens up. And when you do apply for it, post about it on your LinkedIn, pin a short video on your profile, and make a whole content plan ready. The creator who gets selected are the ones LinkedIn team already know exist. Application open up time to time. You need to go check linkedin.com/creators. I'll put the link in the description below. Then there is a second program that's called BrandLink. This is LinkedIn's ad revenue sharing program. Basically, LinkedIn places the ad alongside your video and give you a revenue cut out of it. It's currently in pilot phase with selected creators, but it is expanding. Think of it like a YouTube AdSense but for your LinkedIn videos. And if you're not making content videos on this platform yet, this is one of the reasons to start doing that. Then there's also something called Thought Leader Ad, where a brand can pay to sponsor and amplify your organic post. So let's imagine you have already wrote a post on certain niche, and now the brand will pay LinkedIn to push that post to their target audience. In this way, you get more followers on your profile and get paid for it. Everyone wins. And then LinkedIn runs campus and ambassador programs fairly and regularly. But these programs are mostly aimed at educators and students. These programs don't pay you per post per view directly, but gives you more visibility so you can have more followers on your profile. One important thing to be clear about, LinkedIn is not YouTube. There is no platform-wide revenue stream running on LinkedIn where every creator gets paid automatically from views. Most of these programs are selective and based on invites only. So keep an eye on the LinkedIn creator page and make sure you are eligible when these keeps open up. The third way to monetize your LinkedIn followers is affiliate marketing. As of now, it is very underused on LinkedIn, but it shouldn't be. LinkedIn audience isn't casually just scrolling on the feed. They are professionals with purchasing power who are actively looking for tools, resources, and things to make their work even better. That's a high converting audience for right affiliate program. All you got to do is recommend something you genuinely use, and it works the old way. Your audience click on the link, buy from that particular link, and you get paid. The fourth way to monetize your LinkedIn audience is brand sponsorship. It works the usual way as well. Just like on Instagram or other platform, you get paid by brands to promote their campaign. But To be honest, the best part is there are thousands of creators on Instagram or other platform, but on LinkedIn the pool is still small. So there are more chances the brand will come to you if you have the eligibility criteria. Rough number to anchor yourself: a creator with more than 10,000 followers in India is earning somewhere around 10 to 15,000 per post from a brand post. If you have more than 50k followers, then the brand are literally paying somewhere around 30,000 to 50,000 as well. More than 1 lakh, you are getting more than 1 lakh rupees as well. But here, niche alignment matter more than your followers. The fifth way to monetize your audience is newsletter. If you are creating content on LinkedIn and don't have a newsletter yet, you are literally building on a renting land. LinkedIn algorithm decide which type of post to promote, but newsletter, they are yours. Look at creator like Justin Wells. He used LinkedIn to build a whole list of audience, but his actual revenue comes from his weekly newsletter. Why? Because LinkedIn algorithm can change tomorrow, but your email list is gonna be there. LinkedIn has already a built-in feature to make sure all your followers subscribe to your newsletter, so they get a pop-up every time you are pushing a new edition of your newsletter. The sixth way to get monetized on LinkedIn is courses. If your LinkedIn content proves you are an expert in a specific skills, whether it's coding, copywriting, or UI design, your audience will pay you to package that knowledge. And then comes the best part of this video, Artha.link, the most creators miss. Okay, this is the one I actually want you to pay attention to. All the income streams we have talked about so far have one thing in common. You have to actively do something. But this one is different. Think about who follows you on LinkedIn. Tech creator? Your followers are developer or someone from tech background only. People who are job hunting right now or will be soon. So here's the thing, your audience is already looking for jobs. You are just not earning anything from it. That's the gap Artha.link fills. Artha.link let you launch your own job page in minute. The platform automatically pulls 1,000 plus niche relevant jobs on your page and even keeps them updated automatically every day. Each time someone from your audience apply on your link, you get paid. So basically you are getting paid per click. So let's not just talk about theory. Let me show you what happened when real creators already launched their Artha.link. Akshata Bhatt, 14 years in recruitment, 10,000 LinkedIn followers in tech and healthcare. She was already posting jobs manually every single day, searching portals, filtering roles, writing posts, adding links. Her audience loved it. Her earning from it? Zero. She launched her Artha.link, shared it with her community, that's it. In just 4 months, she have earned more than $15,000 and also got more than 2,000 plus applications. And here's the part that actually wild. Thousands of people are now finding her job page directly from Google search because Artha.link is a SEO optimized platform. So basically she built something that is working even when she is not posting. Akshata Bhatt is just one example of how creators are earning. They are creators who even earn more than $2,000 in just a week. How to use? Go to Artha.link, copy the link from the given description now. Go to this sign up button. See, you have the option to see your income potential as well. Let me show you how it works. So here, you need to put your social media link, just link. We are not asking for your password or we are not at all posting on your behalf. Now, as you can see, the first thing you can do is calculate how much you could be earning. Now, the after. Put your social media link here. The AI kind of fetch everything like your niche, type of job your audience could be looking for, and based on that, within minute, your Artha.link is launched with thousands of niche relevant jobs. Now, you have all the customization you want. Make it look like you. You want only specific employer there? Do it. Use keyword relevant to your industry and more. Now, share the job with your audience. Let your audience know you have your own place where they can apply. Analyze Artha.link dashboard to understand which kind of jobs are paying you more or getting a lot of clicks. Share those with your followers. Whenever they DM you for a referral or in your newsletter, your community group, and maybe just pop up top 5 jobs, your call. The payment are RPC and RPA based, which means revenue per click, revenue per application. The more click and more application you got, the more you can earn. To be honest, in nutshell, you don't have to do anything to launch Artha.link. Just make sure you are signing up and we will do everything from your behalf. So how does the money work on Artha.link? Artha.link take 30% of share of what you earn per application calculated monthly. No upfront fee, no hidden charges. And between the 10th and 15th of every month, your earning goes straight to your bank account. That's genuinely it. Sign up, share it, and get paid. I think I pretty much covered every major way you could be monetizing your LinkedIn audience. But to be honest, Atha.link is still my favorite because here you don't have to do anything. You don't have to create content, you don't have to pitch a brand, you don't have to manage a client. What you can do is help your audience find their next dream job and get paid for it. That said, these monetization models aren't mutually exclusive. In fact, the smartest creator combine all of them. Like just have a client or launch your course and just launch your Atha.link with it. That's how you build a creative business instead of relying on just one source of income. Now I am curious, which of these monetization models are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comment down below. I'm gonna read each and every comment for sure. And if this video helped you see LinkedIn differently, make sure to subscribe it. We have got a lot of videos coming on creative monetization, audience growth, or how to monetize your platform. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.